Welcome to Simplify Pharma. Today, we will learn in detail about research methodology, its significance, key components, and snapshot of types of research. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Let's start by defining research. Research is defined as the search for knowledge or any systematic investigation that is done to establish facts. We conduct research by gathering information, gathering data, then analyzing that data to draw conclusion. There are several objectives with which we carry out research, like to generate new knowledge, to gain familiarity or develop a new insight into some pre-existing phenomena, or to investigate some existing situation, problem, to construct or create a new procedure, altogether a new procedure or system, to explore and analyze more general issues, to test a new hypothesis or a new theory, and to identify patterns or trends related to the problem. Thus, research methodology can be defined as systematic, organized, and planned approach to conducting research. We have to understand that research is very crucial for expanding knowledge, solving problems, and making informed decisions. It lays a very foundation for advancement in various fields by helping understanding complex phenomena. So we can say it serves as a backbone of any research study. It guides the researchers in the process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data. These are the three main steps of any research. We have to do research, and in that process, we have to collect the data. Collecting data is not enough in itself. We have to analyze and then interpret that data. Then the findings that we get, that will help in advancement of knowledge. By understanding fundamentals of research, researchers can design a very robust and reliable studies that yield valuable insights and contribute to advancement of knowledge. Coming to the importance of research methodology, research is important because it helps in ensuring validity, reliability of research findings. Just doing research and findings, whatever the findings that we find, that much is not enough. We have to make sure the research that we are doing and the findings that we are getting from that, it is reliable, it is valid, accurate, and the most important thing, the research that we are doing, it should be reproducible. Only then we can say it is advancement of knowledge. If that research is not reproducible, it is of no benefit to the society. Therefore, our research, if it is valid, reliable, in that case, it has to be reproducible. Someone else can reproduce that work. Like this, we can collaborate with different researchers and we can help in the advancement of knowledge. Thus, we can conclude by saying that we have to understand research methodology because it is very crucial for designing and then executing a high quality research, so that the findings that we get, they are credible, they are reliable, valuable, reproducible. Ultimately, we can say we are contributing to the advancement of knowledge in our respective field. Coming to the components of research methodology. Now, a well-designed research methodology, it includes few components. When we say components, it is just a guideline in order to carry out a good research. So before starting any research, the very first thing that we require is a research question, a very clear, well-defined research question, and because it sets the foundation for the entire study. It guides in selection of appropriate research method or any data analysis technique. So research question is the very basics of the study. There should be a clear, well-defined research question. Once we are sure about the research question, on the basis of it, we can then design the research. Now, when we are designing the research, what we are doing, we are just trying to outline several overall structures of the study, including what will be the type of the research. Then once we have concluded, okay, this is the type of research that we are going to conduct, then what will be the sampling strategy and how the data will be collected, which method will be used. So this is called as designing of the research. Once research question has been well defined and we have determined the research method that we are going to use, after that it comes the data collection methods. The researcher must choose appropriate method in order to gather the data, such as you'll conduct interviews or surveys or observation or experiment, depending upon the research question and the design. Then after that, the most important thing is data analysis technique. See, just conducting research and collecting data is not enough. We will have to analyze that data in order to determine the findings of the research which will be helpful for others. So the selection of data analysis technique is very crucial for drawing meaningful conclusion from the collected data. And these techniques, they may include statistical test, content analysis, any thematic analysis. The last and the most important component of research methodology is ethical consideration. We as researchers must adhere to strict ethical guidelines to ensure that the research is conducted with integrity, respect for the participants, and minimal harm, be it animal studies or be it human subjects. This includes obtaining informed consent. The very first thing we have to do is we have to obtain ethical approval to carry out such studies. Be it animals, be it human subjects, there are ethical approval for everything. So we have to include obtaining informed consent forms, maintaining confidentiality, and ensuring the well-being of the research participants, doing minimal harm, how we can conduct the research. These are the different types of research on the basis of objective, descriptive, exploratory, experimental, on the basis of outcome, fundamental, applied, on the basis of logic, deductive, inductive, on the basis of process, qualitative, quantitative, on the basis of inquiry mode, deductive, inductive, and on the basis of concept, conceptual, and empirical. In order to learn the types of research, there is a small mnemonic cat in pool that will help you to remember the types of research. And in our next video, we will discuss these types of research in detail. Thank you for watching.